A blessed day, my viewers, subscribers. I hope you're alright and I hope you're doing okay. And if it's your first time here, sure click the subscribe button and turn your post notification on so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video or content. Now, my viewers, subscribers, I break a news earlier today in regards to the 17-year-old teenager, Kaylan, who was harshly beaten by 6 women, or rather a group of women. Now, we have some interesting news, rather breaking news. So, police has stated that they have one out of the 6 women in custody and is now undergoing an interview with that female, which is a job well done. So we have to say, first and foremost, congratulations to the JCF who now do a beautiful work, but justice needs to be served and it will serve. And remember, I said in the previous video, how long will these women hide for? They can hide, but for how long? Now, one is already in custody. Sooner or later, that one that is now being interviewed will leak all information, and then we'll have more information as to what really happened. If it was a case where it was just more than a bad look, or if they had previous encounter different from at that party in Barbican. We've seen a lot of persons on social media outpouring their anger at the situation, and we even saw where celebrities were also tapped in on the situation as well. So Shenzia made a few posts with Kaylan. Even the starting of the video, that video was a lighter challenge. That's what its name, was done by the teenager, and Shenzia had posted on her Instagram story, and was also, or rather had a few things to say about the matter, as you can see on the screen, which really and truly only good shall prevail. You get me? Like, God not sleep, and this is just not acceptable. It's just wickedness at its best, and we're not really here in this video to dispute who was wrong, because clearly those 6 female were wrong. It doesn't really matter what had transpired before the dispute or all of that, but clearly that was called for. My viewer subscribers, also new video emerged with the teenager. We saw a video on social media that is making the rounds of her on her hospital bed. She was not really talking, but she was responding, so clearly that is some improvement. It is still unclear as to if that video was recent or how long ago it was. It is recent, but we are not sure of the date. And when I saw that video, my viewer subscribers, it just brought tears to my eyes, you know. Janu, you wouldn't even believe, but as I can see, I'm gonna put the video on the screen and you guys can watch it. It's not that long, so
okay, we are trying to tell me. Yeah, let's see. We are trying to tell me. Okay.
Yeah, my viewer subscribers, so there you have it. Like, anybody with feelings and empathy would actually feel this to some extent, regardless of you knowing the parents or that teenager. You know, like, just imagine, my viewer subscribers, you can tell that she's going through a lot of pain as well. I know new information is also there where the JCF they're saying that she was also stabbed. My prior video, I didn't mention that because that information was never out there. We only had that she was stamped on, she was hit with an Hennessy bottle, but there was no information out there of she being stabbed or anything like that. We know that Tiffany, her friend, has been released from hospital and is doing okay at home. You know, she also shared a few things on the matter, and she was so traumatized. She was like, yo, like, damn, like, this really happened. My viewers, subscribers, at the end of the day, the good will always prevail, you know, and they have 1 female in custody already. I can assure you that they will get the other 5. I can assure you on that, because they can hide, but how long them are going to hide for? The people who hide them just as bad as them as well. They get my viewers, subscribers, just as bad, and you can hide them all you want. Just know, say, a Jamaica on the when all if you go under Iraq are gonna move same way, and police are gonna find you. Pray for the teenager. Hope her, or wish her rather, a speedy recovery. And they're saying that it's a high possibility if she survives, she'll probably be vegetable or disabled, in other words, but at least she still have her life, you know what I mean? She will probably regret it, but I think she will be happy regardless, rather than being dead. You know, my viewers, subscribers, but comment in the comment section below what you think about the incident. You know, send your prayers up for her and her family as well. Until next time, just vibes, Judo. I'm out.